Hey there, thanks for watching my StockHub review by Venkatesh Kumar, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This StockHub review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself. I'm going to take you with me as we research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what StockHub promises us. Attention online creators. Stop wasting time and money looking for the perfect images for your work. Enjoy unlimited, instant, lifetime access to 100 million stock images. With StockHub, you're just one click away from 100 million royalty-free stock images, videos, GIFs, animations, memes, vector graphics, icons, and much more. Find what you need instantly and start making money in 3 easy steps. If we scroll down a little bit further, they tell us that the 3 easy steps are going to be to search their database with 1 click. Then you're going to choose the resource that you want to use. And step 3 is that you're going to put that resource in your marketing content and enjoy huge profits. Now, just to get into StockHub, it is not a secure site. I did have to go through security, if you will, and proceed to an unsafe site to get in here. And then once you get in, it's still not secure. Now that we're in the dashboard, the first thing we want to do is take a look at the tutorials. And as you can see, there is no demo video or training for this product whatsoever. On the dashboard, you do have some statistics of how many searches you've already made for various things, and we'll take a look at that on the left. So the first thing is an image search. We're just going to use the keyword money for all of these. So if we search images, it does return plenty of images for you. I happen to know there are several sites where you can get free stock images and videos like these. And if we take a look at one of them, this is called unsplash.com. And if we use the same keyword, these are the exact same images that are returned on StockHub. If we take a look at video search, again, we'll search money. There is also another free site out. It is called Pexels.com, and if we search money for this one, again, these are free for you to download yourself, but they're going to charge you to use StockHub to find them. Next is Gift search. As we search money, these are the ones that are returned, and if we look at Giphy.com and search for money, these are the exact same ones. Again, this is free. So far, everything we have seen in StockHub, we could do for free without this dashboard. If we take a look at vector search, same keyword. This one is actually available on Pixabay.com. There are several ways you can filter. This one, we would go to vector graphics and search, and it did return the exact same vectors that you see on StockHub. Now, if you're curious about all of those, don't worry, we'll have a recap at the end of this video. Next, we'll take a look at the video editor. They do have a download option for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You do have to download this to your personal computer. I did that, and this is what it looks like. I have already pulled in several images that I searched for. Every time you search for these, you do have to download it to your own computer, and then you will have to come in here and import these files back into the StockHub editor. It's very clunky. If you try to move things around, it almost gets worse. You can't put them back. It's just very weird to work in. There's a lot of adjustments that you can do. There's 6 tracks on here, but you really only need to use 1, especially starting out. I was able to export this, and here it is playing. I did an image, a vector graphic. If we look at the GIF that's coming up, notice there's no motion in this as it plays. It doesn't move. It just takes a screenshot of the GIF, which is really weird. And then this is the video that we chose to download. So the actual video editor is super glitchy. It's super hard to work in. I tried to download some images that I didn't get through StockHub, and they won't save them. So I actually did that with StockHub 1 here that I saved, and I saved it as a project, and if we open it, it just won't open. And if we try the second one I did the same with, I can't get to that either. So you do have to make sure you're doing everything with StockHub through this. Next is the image editor. This is an image editor that we have seen in several different variations of products released over and over again. It's super basic. I have seen it with glitches and without glitches, so I guess it just depends on the version that you purchase. It seems like this one is okay, but if you guys are looking for a free video and image editor, if you check out Canva.com, this is free to use. If there is a charge for anything, you will know about it. There are tons of different templates. If you wanted to take images and post them on an Instagram post or a Facebook post, or if you wanted to make a video, you can check out all of the templates. They tell you whether you have to pay for it or whether you require a subscription for it. Not all of them are paid. Most of them are free, and you can at least look at these to get an idea of maybe which you would want to create. Whether you choose a template or a blank one, Canva is super easy to use. They do have a YouTube channel that has plenty of training videos that will walk you through anything. But just to show you how easy this is, I uploaded a couple of things that we looked at today. We can actually take that one, and if we want to add a new one, we can add the vector. You can come in here and make all kinds of edits and adjustments. One thing I wasn't seeing anywhere in StockHub was the ability to turn your text into a link so that you could share it. Because if you had an affiliate link for a product that you wanted to make a video for and promote, you would be able to add your affiliate link here so that when people clicked on this in the video, it would take them to your product sales page. None of that is discussed in StockHub, or that is what you would do with this platform to make money at all. They don't discuss any way to make money with this or any way to get traffic, which means to get people to see it. If they're not going to help you with traffic, the only way for people to see what you make with this, or if you were to make it in this, is if you send it out and share it to your current existing social media lists on any and all platforms that you have. And if you don't have people on these lists who know you make product recommendations and want to hear what your product recommendations are and possibly buy from you, then you're not going to get any extra sales just making random videos or editing images with StockHub. That is all that StockHub does. And just to recap on the strategy, it is one place or one platform that they want you to search and edit stock videos, images, gifs, etc. that they have gotten for free on various platforms that you can also go get for free. And those are also my problems with StockHub. They want you to pay for something that you can do for free yourself. The actual video editor is super glitchy and hard to use. You can see with Canva, it doesn't need to be that hard so that you can actually see what you're doing. Not to mention, none of this is safe. The connection is not private, and you're opening yourself up to a lot of safety issues. I went through a lot of alternatives in this video, so I did want to do a quick recap. The free alternatives that we have found for StockHub are unsplash.com, pexels.com, pixabay.com, giphy.com, and canva.com. If you are interested in a more robust video editor or video creator, we highly recommend Pictory. As I said, it is more robust, so there is a monthly fee, whether you pay yearly or monthly. It is a little bit more expensive, but if you are looking to make more videos and make more affiliate sales that way, Pictory is definitely an AI video maker to look at. They do have a free trial for you to try this and see if you'd like it. And if you would like to try that, feel free to check it out in our description linked below. As far as pricing for StockHub, on the front end, it is $17, which I think is already too much considering you can do all of this for free. I'm not going to go through all of these upgrades. If you want to read through this, feel free to pause it and take a look at it. But all total, StockHub is going to run you $514 for a product that gives you the option to do things you can do yourself for free. You don't need to spend your $17 on this or your $515 on this. The actual video editor that they do give you is super glitchy, and the free option is much easier to use. Listen, don't waste your time, energy, or money on StockHub. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I hope this StockHub review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.